Ndewonu ụmụaka. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Nchikọta Anụmanụ Igbo. Today, let's head into the forest and meet a very curious and clever animal. It laughs, it sneaks. Can you guess what it is? It's the hyena. The Igbo name for hyena is Nkịta Ohịa. Now, let's say it slowly together. Let's go. Nkịta Ohịa. Again. Nkịta Ohịa. Nkịta Ohịa. Good job. Fun facts. Do you know hyenas live in the wild, in forests and open lands, often in groups called clans? They laugh or giggle to communicate with each other. They are very strong. They can crack bones with their jaws. In some tales, hyenas are known to be tricky or clever, always sneaking around looking for food. Nkịta Ohịa is smart, sneaky, and always thinking. Sometimes, in folk tales, it tries to outsmart others but doesn't always win. It reminds us that being clever is good, but being fair and kind is better. Now let's say it again. Hyena. Nkịta Ohịa. Fantastic. Good job. Now let's try a sentence. Nkịta Ohịa na-agba ọsọ n'ime ọhịa. The hyena runs in the forest. Nkịta Ohịa may live far away in the forest, but it's still part of our amazing animal world. See you next time as we explore more animals in Igbo. Bikonu, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun Igbo learning. Ka ọ dịnụ. Bye.